Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the world of RazoRock. Well, I am so excited. It's a new year and we have a new line of products, but they're not new at all. In fact, RazoRock has been part of Razor Emporium. Back in the day, I was just reminiscing with some of our staff. We stocked RazoRock at our very first shop off of Peoria Avenue. This is like circa 2013 through 15, maybe even up to 16. So definitely almost, more than 10 years ago. This is so crazy. Time flies. But RazoRock has been in the community for a long time, and they have made a name for themselves in a very big way, making a line of quality Italian-made artisan soaps at a fantastic price. And I'm actually like shocked. These soaps, guys, are like in the $7, $8, $9, $10 range, and they're 5 ounces, so it's not like a smaller offering. It's a really good offering. But these guys, Joseph Abbatangelo, I hope I'm saying that right. Abbatangelo, I don't know, I'm not Italian, but Joseph is kind of the brainchild, and his I think it's his uncle or his cousin, Mike. They run RazoRock, an Italian barber. They're up in Canada. I guess the story on their website says that their dad wanted them to kind of bring back some alum stones from Italy, and that kind of set them down this whole journey of finding, traditional shaving products and getting started with that. And they basically capitalized off that, and they turned it into not just this. I mean, this is a major component for sure. But they make a line of razors. I know they bought their own CNC equipment, and they manufacture a lot of that stuff in-house. They have a famous model called the Game Changer, but then they also do distribution. So like Razor Emporium, I can buy other products from them that they import from around the world. So they have another brand called Old World Importing for that. But the point of the story is that these guys are big in the community. They are known. They do a lot. I know they've made products for different YouTube celebrities, and they've made special scents here and there. I'm happy for you guys that you guys get to buy high quality Italian-made products at a fantastic price. And again, it's been a while since we've had these in, and opening up some of the containers, definitely reminiscing about some of these smells. I think Don Marco is one of the most famous original ones. Fantastic. Some of these are a vegetable base, like I think the Don Marco is vegetable, but then like the Motherfucker and these other ones, the Stallion, Triple X, these are actually tallow based. I was looking at the description on this. I had to know why it was called this. This one's got some kind of thermal mud or some kind of like earthly mud that's supposed to be really good for your skin and really good post-shave feel. That's why they call it the mud. Whichever one you pick, I'm just happy to have them back at the Emporium. I'm happy to have another kind of great line of products. I love that they're made in Italy. Come on. Who doesn't want some quality Italian products? When you're thinking wet shaving, you kind of think a little bit like this, I got a capiche, and that's what this is all about. It's got that flair. It's got great scents. When I opened them, I was really surprised by how big and bold they were. They are not skimping on the fragrances. So fantastic line. We're going to go through these and kind of tell you some of the scent notes and get you excited to try them out. The Stallion was named after a friend, Anthony Esposito. It has a tallow base, and it's supposed to lather fantastically. The Emperor is a super tallow formula, which includes tallow, shea butter, argan oil, aloe vera, and lanolin, and it is scented to be a dupe of Creed Aventus, which is a blend of pineapple, bergamot, black pepper, smoke, and leather. The Motherfucker is actually named that because of Fuller Earth, and it is scented with bergamot, base notes of amber, musk, sandalwood, vanilla, and hay, tonka bean, patchouli, and thuja. The Triple X also features the RazoRock Super Tallow formula, which includes tallow, shea butter, argan oil, aloe vera, and lanolin, and it is scented with bergamot, orange, lemon, and orange blossom, heart notes of lilac, lavender, rose, and basil, and base notes of hay, tonka bean, patchouli, musk, sandalwood, and oak moss. The Don Marco soap now uses the RazoRock Super formula, which includes shea butter, argan oil, aloe vera, and lanolin, and it is scented with neroli and bergamot. And lastly, the Irish Countryside. It uses the RazoRock Super Tallow formula, and it is based off of the Creed Green Irish Tweed, which is famous for its lemon and verbena, heart notes of iris and violet leaf, and base notes of Mysore, sandalwood, and ambergris. Well, thank you so much, guys, for checking this out. I hope you can come by the store or visit us virtually online and check out RazoRock. We'll probably continue to expand the selection. This is a good amount of what they carry, but I want to get some of their razors with other products. So this is just the beginning. 2025 is going to be a year year where RazoRock is back at the Razor Emporium. So we're really happy about that. If you do like RazoRock, if you've tried motherfucker, you gotta leave us a comment down below with your favorite, one of these. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered into one of these, the Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.